Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using transitions in iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have multiple clips on iMovie, when you play the video, it will abruptly cut to each clip, which isn't very cinematic. You can add transitions between each clip, which will make it look better. Click Transitions from the Project Media tab. Here you can see a list of the available transitions in iMovie. You can preview what each transition will look like by hovering and moving your mouse over each one. When you have found a transition that you like, you can add it to your project by dragging it down to the timeline. You can insert transitions between two existing clips or at the end of a clip. Play the video to see if you like what the transition does to your video. You can double-click the transition in the timeline to change the duration. Setting a longer transition will make the animation be slower, and a shorter duration will make it happen quicker. You can add a different transition to every clip intersection if you want, or you can easily add the same transition elsewhere by holding down the Alt key while dragging the transition and dropping it into a new place. This will create a duplicate of the transition while keeping the original in place. You can also easily delete transitions from your timeline by clicking it once and then hitting the backspace key on your keyboard. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.